Alright guys, so we are up here at the waterfall again. The last video with him was not too good, but you know, whatever.
Yeah, it was really low quality.
And there's a drone right there, so there will be drone shots after this, obviously. But so we're gonna go up there and we're gonna just start a fire and stuff. This video will be pretty dope, so. Alright, he needs to make his intro, so I'll see you guys when we're up there. So here's the drone shots now.
Nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling, my roller coaster's rumbling. Can you please explain why I'm acting?
Alright guys, so we just made it up this thing. Oh my gosh. We climbed over all that ice right there. But right here, so I was climbing up, and then Jack was wearing some crappy shoes, so I was standing right there helping him down. But I end up slipping and sliding down this. And it's super duper fun, so I have an idea for this video, and it's probably in the title, so it's pretty dope. Go watch his video, because we're making like something all the way up there.
Yeah. You already mentioned it in your intro.
A fort, so I'm gonna slide down this a few times and get you guys some good shots, so here we go. But not right now, later, after I go up there with some drones.
Out my brain. Oh, I've never been like this before. Oh, why did I wait so long to soar? I can't help but always think of you, Every day my dreams are coming true. Yeah, you're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night.
Alright guys, so I got a few drone shots up there. It's pretty freaking cool, and a few just cool shots. So now is the purpose of this whole video. I'm gonna go down it. He's gonna film me, so thanks, Jack.
And I can't feel my toe.
I can't feel my toes when I'm with you. Okay, whatever. Shut up! Okay, so we're gonna go down. Here, Jack. Make sure you're getting me.
I'm getting you. Alright, Zach, you going down?
Yeah. I already went down it once.
By accident.
On accident. Oh, oh my god.
Is there like a drop at the bottom?
No, I just like, it's weird.
It keeps getting really loose.
I know it does.
I'm videoing you though.
Oh, oh my.
That face though.
My heart just skipped like 400 beats. I've almost died today.
I almost died. Remember? Oh, this is how my son died.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you slip, I want to get it.
I know, same. That's why I want an earpiece camera. It's like always there.
Yeah.
Always recording. And if it happens. Okay. Watch out.
What?
Watch out! I'm gonna jump. Okay, I'm gonna get you going down with your camera too. Yeah.
I'm honestly kind of scared.
Just don't hit the hole.
Okay.
I got that so good.
Now it is.
Oh gosh.
This is really painful holding your thing. Because that hurt my hands.
Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so scary though.
Just go. You've gone down it twice.
Dude, guys, that is so scary. Like, you don't even know. Like, is my ass wet? A little bit. It just has snow. But, like, guys, like, it looks fun, but, like, there's a huge water. It's like,
And it hurts your hands.
it's a lot of water. And it hurts your hands.
You guys saw it that I landed on my butt. He told me there wasn't a drop. My hands are so bad.
There's a drop.
Like.
Alright, guys. So, we're going to go to the top. I don't know if there's drone shots after this, so let's just go anyway. Alright, guys. So, we couldn't get a fire started. We tried twice. Like, that was just too wet. We got, like, our kindling and everything. But
I'm going to try one more with that cardboard.
yeah, I guess. We're going to fly the drone again. And we get some drone shots. And go somewhere, and I don't know. So drone shots, for some reason, because drone shots are amazing. Now.
Yeah, baby. You're enchanting me with everything you do. I don't wanna let you go. Hold my hand and you will know. But you never thought a girl could feel like this. Well, I never thought that I could feel like this. Now it's plain to see that you belong. You belong here with me. Sometimes things aren't meant to be explained. Afterwards.
Alright, guys, so you know that drone right there. I just flew it up freaking really high, if you saw from the drone footage. And I crashed it, and because it lost signal all the way up there, but
Dude, the wind is blowing.
I'm so glad it works now, though. Did you see how high it was?
Yeah, that was way high.
It was at least 75 feet high in the air.
Oh, yeah.
And so I flew it just to get a nice shot, which you guys saw. Alright, guys, so I'm editing this video right now, and I forgot to make an outro, so here it is. Yeah, it's like a few days later after I flew the drone, so, and I'm editing it right now, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. If you guys want more drone shots, drop a like on this video. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Zach Vlogs, peace out.